Autotext. Autotext is a feature within EPR which allows you to save a block of text with formatting options linked to a keyword with which you can recall that block of text on multiple occasions. This can be used anywhere that you document in a free text box. So for example, if you are within an M page and you have a text field like shown, alternatively, if you're creating a clinical documentation or when creating a dynamic document, in all of these places you can use an autotext. An autotext usually starts with a special character which calls upon that autotext, and then when you activate it, the block of text it's linked to will be pasted in its place. There are some autotexts that have already been built into the system. You also have the option to create your own. As a demonstration of an existing autotext, we will call upon by using a square bracket. You can scroll down and choose the one that you want. I'm going to choose the foot injury, click enter. And as you can see, it has pasted this block of text that was linked to that keyword. Few things to note when looking at this. You'll see a lot of black text as well as some blue text with some arrows on them. The blue text are areas that you can interact with. So these are drop-down menus. So for example, there's the examination of, then it gives you the option to choose. And when choosing, it'll insert that text into that area. And you can do the same as shown. So instead of having to recreate this from scratch every single time, you've saved it to a template and then you call upon it when you want. There are many other autotext available. I'll demonstrate another one. This is the anesthetic autotext. Similarly, we have drop-down menus that we can choose from. You can even have autotext linked within them, like so. So you've got the first autotext at the top, and then you've got another one that's linked right below it. There are some autotext that can use smart tokens, which is a feature which pulls through some patient details from the system and puts it into the text. As an example, so this autotext, the top portion is a smart template which pulls through maternity details. The rest of the autotext you can complete as shown before. Now let's look at what autotexts are available to us. When you have a text field like this, you've got the formatting component. The very last icon is the Manage Autotext. Click on that. You have two tabs. You've got My Phrases. So these are if you've already created your own, or Public Phrases. So these are all the phrases that have already been created for you and available to use from the system. And you can scroll through these. So you can see some of the ones that we used already, like the anesthetic one, for example, and the foot injury one. You can, if you choose, duplicate them and then edit them so that you have your own version of this autotext. So you can do that too. Say I wanted to duplicate this. I'll click on that. And it would copy that entire autotext. But let's say I only wanted the first part. And then you just need to change the abbreviation and save. So now under My Phrases, you can see that you've got an autotext that you copied from another one, but you made it your own. So let's test it. There we go. So this is the autotext I've just created.